All right, back on Fusion content today. I know it's a small thing, but I've been trying to get some of the smoker smell out of the Fusion. And tonight we are going to be doing a cabin air filter. This is a carbonized one. That is an eBay brand. There's the part number. It's pretty much the only tools you're going to need for this is you can use a socket and a ratchet if you want. I'm going to use this because I'm lazy. And you don't really need the pry tool. It's kind of optional. But I'm going to go ahead and use it because I'm going to try to be gentle and not break anything. Cabin filters in these cars are not super hard to do, but there's cars that are a whole lot easier. So let's get into it. I'll show you what you have to do in order to get this apart, and we'll see how bad the original one is, and maybe this will help with getting some of the smoke smell out. Okay, so step one, I'm going to go ahead and lower the glove box door, and I'm going to try to do this all with one hand. So you need to, well, that's kind of gross. Yeah, that's gross. I need to clean this car better. Step one, go ahead and pop this cover off. There you go. And then up under here, there should be 3 clips over here, and this is held in with the, I guess the vent itself. So I'm going to try to get that tool up underneath there so we're not going to break anything. There it is. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. And then this should, I don't think there's any more clips, but like I said, I'm not trying to break this. There we go. I think there is one more clip. There it is. Okay. So once you get, let me put that out of the way. Once you get this far, there is a 7mm screw there, 7 there, and then up underneath, let me show you 2 more. There's one right there, and one over here. Let me make sure. I think I got that wrong. No, that's right. So one over here, and then this one right here. Let me go ahead and take them off because I'm gonna have to set the phone down. Once you do that, actually I'll do it with you. Let me go ahead and remove those 7 screws, and I'll show you how this pops off. This is gonna be a short video. There's nothing really hard about it. And then I might get some armor on and finish detailing some of this. So before I take this last screw out, I was wrong. That is actually part of the airbag. The other screw, I'm not sure you're gonna be able to see, is up under there. Do not touch the airbag ones. You do not need to. Okay, so the last screw is out. This should just pop off now. Let me see. Looks like it's held in by clips. Like I said, I'm not trying to break anything, so let me work my way around this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Let me set the phone down. Like I said, pretty much grab there and there. I'll show you where the clips are. It's hard to do with just one hand. Okay, so I was able to pull it. I'll show you where the clips are. One other thing, so you don't damage anything. This is not mandatory, but I'm gonna clean. So go ahead and unhook the sensor to the light. All the white spots are where the clips actually go in the car. So you can see there's 2 down there, 2 over there, 2 there, and then the 2 up front. So once you get to this point, looks like there's 2 Phillips screws that hold this plate on, and then the cover should come off. So let me grab a Phillips real quick and we'll take this off. Okay, so once the 2 Phillips screws have been removed, you should be able to pop this off. Looks like the clips go on the outside. Let me try to get this with one hand. There, it felt like it let go. Might have to set the phone down. So you'll see a clip on each side, and it should just pop out. So let me put the phone down. I'm gonna have to do this with 2 hands. Good news is I am getting a phone stand, so other than me just explaining, you'll be able to see in live time. But for today, I have to put the phone down at least. So there's actually 2 tabs at the top that make it a little easier to pull down. You kind of have to push out on these clips and pull down. So as you can tell, airflow needs to be pointed down. I have no idea. I doubt this is original Ford, but let's pull it out and see how gross it is. Oh, I can tell it hasn't been changed in a while. There's all kinds of, sorry my arm's in the way. I'm tearing it. I'm not trying to, but I also need to get it out. There we go. Oh yeah, that's gross. Okay. Let me finish pulling this out. Yeah. Pine needles. I would say that's probably nicotine in there as well. So let me go ahead and unwrap the other one and put this in, and then pretty much that's the end of this video. So what you would do is, of course, finish putting everything together in reverse order. I'm gonna go ahead and detail behind there a little bit, like on the corner, the actual back of the glove box. It looks like there's ash from smoking. And you just pretty much put everything back together in the same reverse order that you took it apart. Not a bad video, not a hard thing to do either, but it is kind of annoying. There's other cars that I've had that's way easier to take apart than this and quicker. So thanks for watching up to this point, and if you guys have any comments or anything, go ahead and message below and like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.